Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you play chess in ChatGPT. So at first, just go to any browser and log into your ChatGPT account. Now after logging in to your ChatGPT account, in the bottom here you can see send a message. Just click on it and type let's play chess and send it. Now just select the color you want. I'm typing white. Now you can just make your move. So guys, that's how you can continue to play chess with ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.